It was a cold, wintry day in Brooklyn, New York. Young Mendel trudged through the snowy streets, clutching his worn coat, the bitter wind stinging his face. As he passed the bakery, the warm, sweet smell of fresh bread made his stomach growl. He paused wistfully outside the window, watching the baker pour hot loaves from the oven. Suddenly, the baker emerged with a loaf and pressed it into Mendel's frozen hands. Mendel looked up speechlessly as the baker smiled and said, "In honor of our great rabbi's birthday, take this nourishment and be warmed." This act of kindness was inspired by Rabbi York Young Mendel Nissan, an influential Jewish leader who championed sharing on his birthday of 11 Nissan. In 1978, President Jimmy Carter declared this day as National Education and Sharing Day in his honor. A presidential proclamation has commemorated this day every year since, emphasizing Rabbi Schneerson's messaging of loving kindness. This day carries on the rabbi's legacy by promoting charity and education. Schools teach students about the spiritual fulfillment of giving. Communities come together for volunteering activities and campaigns that bring food, clothing, and shelter to those in need. His message of compassion continues to inspire sharing events annually on this day. Around the world, people honor National Education and Sharing Day through acts of generosity. Neighborhoods organize food and blood drives donating life-sustaining resources. Teachers assign lessons on altruism and service. Families undertake projects helping disadvantaged members of their community. Non-profits launch fundraising campaigns to expand their work. By participating in these events, we keep the spirit of Rabbi Schneerson's selfless teachings alive. The day 11 of Nissan on the Jewish calendar is National Education and Sharing Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a nice National Education and Sharing Day. Cheers!